I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
All right. Tamiya, Ford 250. I just wanted to show you guys what you can do with your 3D printer um, in your other hobbies. For instance, if you like RC cars, RC trucks, boats, etc., planes, you name it, you can actually have a great time by making accessories for them. And you don't need a big printer to do it. If you're doing like, say, 1/14th, 1/10th scale, whatever, and beyond, it's still and below that. So you have a lot of different printers out there that'll actually accommodate you on all that. So if you're seeing here, you might have seen me already make this plow once before. So anyway, I'm gonna put that up on the back of the box for now, and I'm gonna turn this around. I've made the mirrors, I made the roll bars, I made the plow setup. That'll actually go up and down. The servo is already there and hooked up. The uh, the actual tires, TPU, the rims I made, painted them gold. They're all done on the 3D printer, and back racks across the back. Um, I don't know if you can see that. In one of these cameras, you can see it actually. The roll bar, of course, that has the lights on the top. And I also have, if I spin this around, I've been working on putting or just a regular trailer hitch on, so that would go on the back. So that'll work out really, really good. So I'm hoping that this thing's going to push some snow this year. That would be actually a lot of fun. Um, and it is back steering too. So and it's actually 4-wheel drive, of course. And I'll have all the lights hooked up. I have the machine in there that actually does the sounds. It does the up and down noises for the revs. It does turn signals. It does all that. So this is going to be actually a lot of fun. I've got the extra wires for the headlights. I'll probably hook them up. Sorry, the plow lights. I'll probably hook them up separately on a different switch so I can turn them on and off. Same with the roll bar lights. They'll be on and off on a different switch. And the lights, of course, once I put the bumper back on, the lights go in the back of here, just like the other lights. Turn signal lights, same way. Same with the back bumper, back lights. So then, like I said, this will lift up and down. And there's the sound box actually there. They're not very expensive online. I think you can get them for like sometimes under $20, depending where you go. So I've got it so that this comes off right now, so I can keep working on it. It's a project I want to get back to for winter. So I just wanted to show you how your 3D printer can really do a lot of different things that you like to do. And it's gratifying, very gratifying to be able to make stuff like these tires. I've got these were made from TPU, but not the newest TPU I have. These are a little bit more durable. Not can't say durable, a little harder uh, rubber. The other stuff is a little softer, a little gummier, which is great. So yeah, so that's a different. And I have another video for that and how I make the tires too. So there's a video on how I make the tires. So you might want to check that out. And like I said, I have to just put the arm on. Had the arm on, just going to this thing here for picking up the plow, and it's got spring. It's spring loaded. So once it gets in the snow, it can spring back. Now I just have a skid plate that's plastic that I can replace for now. I can actually make one probably out of aluminum or something like that, or just replace it when I have to would work too. So there you go.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.